Folks, Edgemore Ramp right there. We got CSX train Q583 coming northbound past the Holdout yard. CSX Monroe Subdivision, Catawba, South Carolina. Ooh, CW4486 doing line 2. That ain't good. Oh, shit. That ain't good. Alright, folks, getting ready on the move again. They having trouble with they have some kind of mechanical trouble with the optimizer. I don't know what that is really. Dispatcher just gave permission to continue. You might want to get him off. I know you got no lock horse, but he's got a CW44AH still in line 2. 500 series. I like jump power. Come on, off. CW44AH still in line 2 paint. Alright, X583 back on the move now. Having trouble with the optimizer or whatever the heck that is. Sideways. Alright there, X583. Train looks good. Marker hanging in place. Y'all have a safe trip. You're welcome. Alright folks, I have a CSX train Q583 heading northbound past the Holdout, y'all. Went into emergency for a few minutes, but they back on the move. CW44H 500 series, still in line 2 paint on the lead, not bad. Anyway, thank y'all very much for watching this video. God bless. These trains are rerouting because yesterday's 583 derailed on the Abbeville sub. So these trains are X583 instead of Q583 because we're having to reroute these trains. I don't know how long it's going to take to clean that mess up. It's pretty bad, like 3 engines and 30-something cars come off the track and piled up. They hit a washout down somewhere in Georgia on the Abbeville sub. So could be a while, but trains are still running daylight thanks to the reroutes. Anyway, thank y'all very much for watching this video. God bless. Luckily, the crew was okay. They didn't get hurt. They got hurt, but they're going to survive. They're going to be okay. They walked away. They survived with injuries. But anyway, thank y'all very much for watching this video. God bless.